Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing, or really rather just unzipping of a couple pouches to share with you guys. I had an error with the phone application, which sometimes happens. It's been fixed, so I will be doing this again for you guys. So it won't be an organic unboxing, but I still wanted to share this with you because these are so incredible. They're so cool. So these knives were sent to me by @SierraBound on Instagram. Please give him a follow. It's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. It's also because of my generous patrons. You can check out my Patreon down in the description, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. So I understand that this pouch is actually the one in the thumbnail. It's actually what's in here that I was really excited to share with you guys. But both of these are really cool. So this knife right here, just to let you guys know, this is a J.W. Smith flipper in Chad Nichols Damascus. According to the information that I got from SierraBound, this is actually unnamed, but it is beautiful. Now, this is not a review. This is just an unboxing, just a little bit of show and tell here before we actually do solo videos on these guys. Yeah, that's beautiful. If you're wondering, is that expensive? Yes, very, very expensive. We're looking at Damascus bolsters, the Chad Nichols Damascus blade, which is beautiful. I love how it's mostly black. That's really not something I normally see. We have a bronzed titanium, a bronze anodized titanium liner lock. Beautiful action. Absolutely wonderful flipping action as well. And then some lightning strike carbon fiber, which I'm sure you guys can pick up in there. That nice wire running through the carbon fiber. Really cool. Even the pocket clip, Damascus. Yeah, this is beautiful. Same thing with the backspacer. Absolutely beautiful and very, very stunning. It almost kind of molds into the background there. So I'm going to move this one up. So the reason I didn't put this in the thumbnail like this is because it says Riot on both sides. So everybody would have thought it was going to be a Riot. So I had to use a plain pouch for the thumbnail anyways. So this knife, I legitimately never thought I would get to handle. I have handled the a production variant of it, but never the custom. So yeah, this is a Borka Blades Stitch. And oh my goodness, am I excited about this one. Holy cow, take a look at that titanium there, reflectivity. Actually, my fingerprints are not doing this justice. It's actually much more rich, just like a, kind of fresh bronze ano on a smooth surface that's been polished, right? It's very rich, and that is the case. My fingerprints, the oils from my fingers have actually, made areas duller or purple, but the polish on this is absolutely beautiful, and the contrast between the titanium and the blade is also very beautiful. What's the blade steel? I believe that it is M390. My camera not liking black. Sorry about that. It just doesn't like it. Yeah, this is definitely a stunner, and the more I played with it, the more I realized, part of the reason that I was initially trying, I'm going to move this guy out of the way, so just in case I drop this guy, I don't drop it on top of the other one. That would be bad. The reason I was originally attracted to this guy was not just because it had such beautiful lines. This guy's also expensive and basically completely unavailable, by the way. And if you're wondering, like that looks a lot like the Microtech Stitch. It's because the production version of this that I was referring to is actually the Microtech. That's a collaboration between Borka Blades and Microtech. This is the custom from Borka Blades. But anyways, not just because the profile was so appealing, because the profile is very appealing, and it's an ergonomic masterpiece. But because it has a lot of what I look for in my Excalibur, which is a word that I use to define the perfect knife for me, right? Everybody has their own Excalibur, right? Different sets of preferences, but titanium, contoured titanium, textured titanium. We have thumb studs that actually double as the stop, external stops. So you can use the thumb stud, and you can absolutely use the opening hole, right? You can also thumb flick it out using the opening hole if you want to. That's wonderful. The action's pretty good. I need to figure out, well, as is the case before I do any review, right? This is not a review. It's basically just my initial impressions. I need to learn about the construction of this. I need to learn more about it before I can actually give you guys information on it. But I just wanted to share this with you guys and talk about it because it's so beautiful and so cool. And because these are so incredibly elusive and just really expensive, really, really expensive. Both of these guys are expensive, but when you look up the Borka Stitch, you know, it's holy moly, right? Now, I generally don't review custom knives on the channel. I generally will either just do an unboxing, or if I do a video, it'll basically just be show and tell and some information about it. I don't really feel comfortable reviewing knives that are multiple thousands of dollars because, truthfully, that's outside of my range of expertise. I'm just not comfortable talking about stuff that I don't feel, you know, like I totally understand. But they are compelling and they are intriguing. Absolutely. Yeah, if you're wondering, does that feel exactly how it looks? Yes, it does. The ergonomics on the stitch, right? They are wonderful. They are so, so good. I also love the oversized fasteners. I love the pocket clip. I love the fact that it's got an LBS disc similar to a Hinder or Strider. It's just really cool. I'm very intrigued by this. It's one of the few knives out there, the few custom knives out there that I can honestly say that I truly have been lusting after, right? I mean, ever since starting the channel, obviously there's more and more stuff that I'm lusting after, but it takes something really crazy and really special to get me to want, you know, to get me to go, do I want to spend that kind of money on that? You know, like it's not totally definitive. It's just a thought that popped into my head. And yeah, these are obviously very, very high quality. But yeah, more to come when I do the actual review. This side exhibiting more of that richness, I guess, you know, but I can't stress enough how rich this was. It was clean of fingerprints or anything the first time I got it out, and it was so rich and beautiful. Both of these obviously beautiful pieces, but I had to share this with you guys. I had to do a cool unboxing, let you guys look before I did a review down the road. So anyways, that's going to be pretty much it for today. Please make sure to follow Sierra_bound on Instagram. And also, while you're at it, his looks way better than mine. Follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.